Hi, hi everyone. How's it going, everyone? I'm back with another video of unboxing with Tails. Hello, guys. This time we're doing things different because I want to see if it's true, if Sonic actually came or whatever, if he actually came here or not. Stay here, Tails. I'll be taking care of this. Okay. Don't mind the noise. I have cats, so there's cats in this house, so don't mind the noise. Exactly, Tails. Just don't mind. Ugh. Ah. I'm finally free. Well, it is. He is the same height. Tails feels more chunky than this, though. Here's Sonic. He feels different than Tails. He's dirty. I'll clean it. I'll clean him later. Alright, here's Sonic, like I promised. Alright, he's just the same size. They are the same size. I thought they were not. Anyways, so here's Sonic. There's the butt tag that shows that he was made in this date right here. Made by this company here. This Sonic is dirty, so I'll ask my parents to clean him later. So, does he stand on his own? It does. Well, would you look at that, Crystal? Like you promised. Sonic is right here with me right now. And I am impressed. What? Where am I? Who are you? Ah, you must be Crystal, right? Nice to meet you. Who is this? I'm Tails. Nice to meet you, Tails. Nice to meet you too, Sonic. What a lovely home you have. Thank you. Well, I'm very happy to see that you're here now. Yeah, I know. Hello everyone, it's me, Sonic. I guess this is my new house now. I just hope you're gonna enjoy your time here, or whatever it is. I don't know. Here's his shoes. Feels much fluffier than this. Would you look at that? Their shoes are almost the same. It's very funny. They have red shoes both. Look at them. It's very funny. What'd you say to the audience, Sonic? Have a good day. Spend it well because life is short. And have a wonderful day. And it is all said by me. See you next time, guys. Goodbye, guys. And have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to get the notification to know when I make new videos. What do you say, guys? Goodbye. Goodbye. See you later. Bye, guys.